Movement tells a story. In design, there's a hierarchy and flow. On the lake, it's a perfect carve on glassy water. Every day ends on the deck. The loop is always the same though. You create, you ride, you eat, and you repeat. Some of my favorite artwork in design is surfers because it's not overly produced. And I feel strongly that that's the stuff that lasts. It's actually just the really strong things that were true 40 years ago. And you know, basic shapes, basic knowledge, it doesn't change. A sketch turns into a logo, the logo becomes a brand, and then the brand fuels a business. And I do feel strongly about that even happening from the bridge on my head. It's like, that was just a sketch, and it was like, ooh, look at that. At 6:30 in the morning when I saw the sun hit off the way it did on that bridge, it was like, oh, I see 3 A's and 3 circles now, or 2 circles in a line. I don't see this like massive bridge anymore. So I think part of that is like just being true to being passionate about being out there. It wasn't to come up with a logo. It was just I saw something at that certain time of day because that's what I love to do.